Welcome to Deriv Trader, the platform where trading is seamless and efficient. At Deriv, we believe in empowering traders with the right tools and knowledge to enhance their trading decisions. In this video, we'll give you an overview of Deriv Trader, highlighting its features, benefits to get you started on a path to better trading. Deriv Trader is designed with you in mind. Discover a wide range of markets, such as derived indices, forex, stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Choose from various trade types, including digital options, multipliers, and accumulators to suit your trading strategy. Personalize your trading dashboard to match your preferences. Select from a variety of chart types, timeframes, and technical indicators to create the setup that works best for you. Manage your risks effectively with our advanced risk management tools. Set stop loss and take profit levels to protect your capital. Trade with Deriv Trader on your desktop, or access it on the go using your mobile. Never miss an opportunity, whether you're at home, at work, or on the move. Deriv Trader provides access to global markets and derived indices, enabling you to diversify your portfolio and trade 24/7, regardless of market events. Our dedicated customer support team is available 24/7. Whether you have questions or need technical assistance, we're just a click away. Getting started with Deriv Trader is quick and straightforward. Sign up, verify your account, and you're ready to trade. Manage your funds effortlessly with our seamless deposit and withdrawal processes. Join thousands of traders who have made Deriv Trader their preferred platform. Start your journey today with a free USD 10,000 demo account. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website.